So we got the 400 done. Just kidding. Anyway, we did, we, as a collective, me and Will, did not buy this, but we have a buddy who bought this. His name is Landon. This is his 2014 400X, I guess technically it'd be 400EX, any prior model year. But we're going to be installing some XFR Nerf Bars on this today. So I guess let's go ahead and get right into that. If Landon does not have anything to say about his bike. Nope, nothing? All right, so let's go ahead and pray for the video and then we will get right into it. So, Lord, I want to thank you for keeping us safe today. As you can see, maybe we've done some riding. And then please just let this install go well. Thank you for blessing Landon and being able to purchase this bike here. Keep us all safe as we go out riding soon. And your name correct? Amen. All right, so this is Landon. He might be in the next couple of videos, but he's got some XFR Nerf bars. You want to spoil anything about it before we unbox it, or no?
They're metal.
They're metal. Nice.
And they're black.
Nice.
Gee, I wonder where he got the idea from.
Here's your knife, sir. Let's go ahead and unbox these. That did not come from XFR like that, by the way.
We have a skit to say otherwise.
Yes. Alright. Unbox it. It's Christmas morning. Anything else in the box?
No free hand. Thank you, sir. There's cardboard in the box. Oh, hold up. Oh, maybe we shouldn't have done that.
He fits right in. Alright, so simple procedure. It's about the same as every other Nerf bar install. You got your nets, your pegs, and the actual Nerf bars themselves. XFR always does a really nice job on their product. I like them a lot. I really need to get some of my Raptor, but I'm broke. So we're gonna take off these stock foot guards and yeah, get right to it. All right, so there is a bolt here. There's a bolt down here, right here where I'm pointing. You gotta take that off. But this one we didn't have to because someone broke a bolt off in it, so we're good there. And there's one more like right here, so you kind of gotta follow this up and find it, which it's right there. Ooh. If you can get a regular wrench in there, we can just bust this loose. Like that. Make sure it doesn't fall off. Because I really don't want to take the plastic off, because taking plastic off of this thing is a pain in the tail. Easiest way to do this really would be to take this rear plastic off, but to take these off, you gotta take all these push pins off, you gotta take this off, you gotta unbolt here, and then pull everything out with a bunch of bolts in there too, so it ain't really worth it. So if you can get a flat wrench or just a regular wrench in there, then you can just undo the bolt and pull that whole thing out. There's a bracket that we're gonna have to get out of there eventually, but for now, I think I might actually be able to finagle it out. There we go. And that bracket just pops right out, so we'll delete that. It goes like this on the frame, so the bolts are going to be at the bottom, the actual peg is going to be up top, and it's the one that's going to be further back. So when the peg's going to be closer to the back bolt, that's the one you put on the right side. So this would be on the left side, so you can see the actual peg itself is going to be closer to the back. So that's all you need to know, and then this will sit in there. You got a D-ring that goes in there, but we'll show you that in a second. And then your plastic mount is right there, which that's one thing I like better than the 450. I don't know if all 450 plastics are the same for the TRX, but the Will's TRX did not have a plastic mount here. So I like that. Same thing like I was saying, the foot peg goes up and it's a little further back towards the back. If you want to show them like that, it is going to be further towards the back of the bolt here. It's going to be towards the back of the frame. So we're going to put the bolt back on there and it just bolts where your stock foot peg would be. All right, now I'll start with this one.
This one has a washer, the other one doesn't.
All right, so we got the foot peg nets on now, as you can see. So, and we've also got the foot peg itself on. So these just slide on, and you want to put on the side with the prong on the outside first. So, I don't know if you can see on camera, but that right there, you want to put on the side with the longer extension that slips into this side. So it would be, if you're looking at it from the front, it would be the left side. If you're looking at it from the back, it'd be the right side. But if you want to just slide that on now, Landon. There we go. Now give it a, leave it on this side and hold it. Give it a whack. Just all right, so we got them on. These are actually pretty simple to install. Once you get them on, you have to put the plastic mount back there, as you can see, that bolt right there. And you've got two D-rings that have to go on right there and on the other side. Right there. You want to make sure you get the plastic mounts in first, because these have to be pushed down, and then if they aren't pushed down all the way, the plastic mounts won't get pushed in and you won't have room, and then they won't bolt up. And then you want to tighten your D-rings down, and then you should be good. He does give you bolts to drill through the actual foot peg itself and then mount it that way, but these are fairly stable, so I don't think we're worried about that tonight. We'll do that at a later date, but we're gonna go ride it real quick, see how it feels, and then we'll let you know after the fact and be back in then.
Alrighty. My name is Landon. This is my 2014 400EX. Let's see. Now, I'm not gonna lie. I paid a pretty penny for this. But overall, dude, I mean, it looks so good. I work with Andrew. He actually just got me into vlogs. And yeah, the first day I rode this thing, it didn't have anything down here, so my foot just dropped down right here, and it hurt my, I'm not gonna lie, it hurt my ankle pretty bad. Oh, we're not gonna talk about that. Like I said, I'm fairly new. Let's see, man. I mean, dude, it's just like I can move around a lot, dude, and I don't know what I'm saying, dude. I'm an amateur. You guys probably know what you're talking about more than I do. But yeah. And I don't know how to ride my bike. Oh god. Oh god. They trusted me with this camera, and I have no idea what the heck I'm doing. But yeah, man, it's my feet can actually stick to the pegs, and I'm not sliding around everywhere. I can move around a lot. It's nice, man. I'm not gonna lie. do you think? Look
I
good?
think?
Yeah.
Well,
You think they look good?
I'm a believer of this product. This is the third investment I've seen on the channel.
Yep. So
If I didn't like it, I'd be stupid.
exactly. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some for mine now.
Well, you were supposed to originally, but you're like, no, I can't do it. Money, money, money.
Well, back when I bought mine, I didn't have the money I did now, so.
Hey, no, I did. I made like 3 payments to have to pay people back for those.
Now we the coldest. I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions all them times, I was hopeless. Now we the coldest.
Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to